Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a dark mode not showing on your Instagram settings. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to the bottom right, click on your profile icon, and then here at the top right, click on these three horizontal lines to open up your settings. So now I want you to scroll down all the way down until you see accessibility. Okay, because in the new update they basically changed things. If you click on accessibility, you'll see dark mode, and all you actually need to do is toggle this one on. And if it's still not working, right, it's probably at system default. So with system default, what you would need to do is you would need to go to your phone settings and then actually go ahead and change the display settings for your phone. So click here on display, and if your phone setting is in dark theme, such as this one, if we go back to Instagram, it will also be on a dark mode by default. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Guides Archive.